Okay, so hello everyone. This is day 16 of Django REST framework. In today's class, we are going to discuss about search, filtering, and ordering concept. Okay, so in search, filtering, and ordering concept, there are two ways to do filtering. One is we can say plain vanilla filtering. Okay, and the second approach is by using TRF API. Right. So what is plain vanilla filtering? Nothing but okay, so whenever we want to do plain vanilla filtering, so here we have to override one method that is known as get query set method. Okay, if you will override this method, then you will be able to perform plain vanilla filtering. Filtering means like from so many records you are finding a particular record, so that is mean filtering. So you can do the filtering based on name, based on employee number or salary, whatever you want. Okay, so here is the method by overriding get the that, and after that like how you will write URL. So URL, in URL you will write something like http 127.0.1 and then API, which is the endpoint. And after that you will write here query parameter, which is nothing but a question mark, and you will write the column name based on which particular like value you want to override. So you will mention, and for example name I'm giving here Smith. Okay, so I want to filter out this Smith name. So what I will do, I will just override this method to get the plain vanilla filtering. Okay, so see, so yesterday we were working on this project. Here we have views.py. Okay, so the output is something like this. So like at a time, like this is a pagination project, and here we have seen at a time it is showing displaying like two records. If you want to increase the count of the records at one page, so simply go to the settings.py, and here you will see global REST API setting, and here you can mention how many records you want to display at a time. So right now the count is 2. Okay, but if you will refresh you will see the count is 10. So go to the first page, and at first page you will see here 10 records at a time. Okay, so now let's close others, close this also, go to the views. Okay, and in the views we will create one method which is nothing but get reset method. Okay, so here we have to take the data first from the employee object. So nothing but query set. So employee dot objects dot all, and after that we will search a particular record based on its name. So that is why I will take name from the URL. So I will write here self dot request dot get, and here okay, now if we will check if name is not none. If name is not none, then what we have to do? We have to write here qs query set dot filter ename underscore underscore I contains is equals to name. Okay. If name is none, then we have to return query set on, right? So let's try to check the output. So refresh. And how we will search? So we will write here, as I told you, we have to write here query parameter, then like property name, then value. So same here, we will write here query parameter and ename, and let's suppose the value is Smith I want to search. Okay, so press enter. So it is working, not working. So there is some mistake. Let's see. Then we have to return. Okay, so ename what Smith. Okay, so now it is finding how many records? Two records, and this two particular record is containing Smith, and it is also containing Smith. So this is how we can perform the filtering. And if you want like the record which is containing S, so such type of 57 records are there. Okay, so these records are containing S. Okay, and if you want like if a record is containing SE, so there are six record which is containing S and E. Okay, so like that we can perform the filtering. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the like how we can perform the filtering using DRF API, and we will discuss more concept about it. Okay, so thanks for giving your valuable